Can't can't buy this. Wow. Can't buy this. Look. Look at this. On the trail in the golden hour. Amazing. Look. Look at this. Wow. Can't buy this. Woo! Get out there, you guys. Whoever's listening, get out there. Get the sun on your face. Get the wind in your hair. Just get out there for at least 30 minutes a day. We're gonna come up on, probably see some deer in a minute. There's a range up here. Look at that. Deer on the trail. Actually on the road. Look at that. I'm gonna go up here and turn around because it's getting dark, but this is the best time to ride because it's so cool. This is the golden hour. Look, they're all over here. It's like herds and herds of deer. Look at Bambi. Look at Bambi. I'm not gonna hurt you. Look at that. I'm headed down the road. I'm gonna turn around and go back up to White Plains. Just enjoy my ride tonight. This evening, got a lot of work done on my ebook. As far as printing the print copy, I want that in my hands hopefully by the end of the week. Get it printed, get it in my hands, get it produced, and get on the street selling it, sharing it with women and people who feel like they have pressed the mute button on themselves and realize that it's time to come out of hiding, come out of silence, and time to unmute. So yeah, I got a lot of good work done today, and I'm excited about it. Talk to you later.